Good day, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Let's do our best to have fun. Misha is on the run. Misha's life, you know it's right for him and no one else.
Man, it kind of sucks. I wanted to go to this place called the Savage House, but there was no house at all. So there was this other place or something. I saw some weird shit. Couldn't get a shot of it because this road is too damn busy. But there's like all these like metal art pieces down back that way. And then there was a road, but I tried to get in there, but oh my god, it was so tore up, I couldn't get into it. I got like only like right into the drive and it was done and there was no place to park. I was sitting outside of the road and shit, and so that sucks because that looked like it was pretty cool up there, but it just, yeah, the road's just too fucked to get back there. So anyway, we are going to a place called Double D's Field or some shit like that. I don't know, I'll let you know when we get there. That it sounds hilarious.
Ooh la la, titty tatas. We're heading to the field of dreams.
Double D's Field of Dreams.
Sounds like fun to me.
Field of Dreams.
Go rest my head in the big old boobies. Double D's Field of Dreams.
So I just went by a place called Double D's Field of Dreams. There was nothing there, just a house. So I don't know what the hell that's about. But I'm gonna go on Google Maps and be like, this is nothing. Like, this is not a damn thing at all. That sucks. I'm trying to find some cool shit to film on my way back home, and I'm not finding much. But, you know, Double D's Field of Dreams would have been nice. maybe it's a whorehouse. I don't know.
Bullshit! Yeah, that was nothing but a house. What the hell's that all about? Bullshit! I was hoping to see some tits. Feel like I've been ripped off. Bullshit! It's false advertising at its best. Don't you dangle the titty in my eyes and give me bullshit. Am I a perv? Yes, born and raised, but that's provert to you, bitch. Now show me those big old double D's.
What a nice day. Oh my God, what a nice day. Didn't find everything I wanted to find. Then that mill came up. You know, I might have not got to see all the stuff, other stuff that I want. Well, some of it wasn't even there. And then I'm just going the back roads and that mill popped up. So that was really cool. Now we're heading home. Gonna get something to eat. And yeah. I just, you know, the road really is where I belong. I love being on the road. I love just driving and looking at scenery and finding new things. And to me, it's relaxing. To me, it's my comfort zone. My comfort zone is driving. My comfort zone is searching, you know, going out and searching for things. And, you know, I used to do this all the time. It's nice to get back into it. Great day. So stay safe, stay mindful, and stay healthy.
Misha's Vibes.